Good morning, or good afternoon, good evening, or even good night, according to which time you're watching me. It's your girl Nessa Mercy, but if you like it, you can call me Crazy Baby. So, welcome to my morning routine vlog. I can't wait for you to see the rest of the video, and I hope you will be informed and you will be inspired and educated to do something different with your morning. So every time I wake up in the morning, I don't forget to do a word of prayer, because God comes first before everything. He is the author and finisher of our faith. Yes, I'm telling you, God is amazing. So I pray, and then I do a word. I read a word from the Bible, and then whatever I've learned from the word, I write it down on my notebook, and then I pray about the verse or the chapter that I've read that morning, and I incorporate it on my day. I command my morning just like that. So after that, what I do mostly immediately after I get out of the bed is make my bed. You all, I love my bed. I love my bed, and I always want to leave my bed well kept, leave it well, neat. It's an habit you really need to adopt. Once you make your bed, it makes you feel nice at the end of the day. So that's what I do. And then after that, I head to the bathroom. So guys, the first thing I do when I see myself in the mirror is speak beauty, success, all the positive things in my life, with my life, within myself, and all the things that I would want to be in future. And one of them is to be one of the best or one of the biggest influences, and I know it's coming my way, and because of that, please do subscribe, like, comment, and share. Why are you not even subscribing? Babes, do subscribe. And yeah, so after that, I brush my teeth. You need to keep that mouth fresh and clean, so that when you're going to talk to someone, they can breathe a sense of fresh air. Even you yourself, you will be comfortable around people when yes, I'm talking and nothing bad is coming, no bad smell is coming from my mouth and all that. And yeah, so after that, I wash my face, and you need to feel alive. Wake up, amuka, command your morning, be that person that you've always wanted to be. Okay, so guys, tumbo muhimu. Currently we are at the kitchen, and I want to prepare my pre-workout meal. I always prepare a pre-workout snack or meal most of the time when I have not eaten anything the previous night, so that it can boost my energy to a whole new level. And I'm telling you, this aka snack really goes a long way, and then ni tamu, yani inacha mdomo yako tu na mautamu tu ingine hapo ya dunia ingine. You can try it. So this is how it looks, and when I'm telling you it is delicious, I'm telling you, me, I can't lie to you. So after this meal, see you at the gym. Let's go build that body. So guys, let me tell you something. like my body is starting to body. The tummy is ending. The tummy like is ending, and I'm really proud of the effort that I've been putting in my daily workout exercises. And yeah, so today I'm going to do a bit of a circuit. So this involves each and every part of my body. So this is the circuit. You do different exercises within one round, and then you do it 4 times. But when you're in the gym, when you're agenda, you need to go and get that body right. So guys, kuna kitu moja lazima tungeadmit. Me going to the gym has helped me mentally, achana na physically. Like, it has also helped me physically. Nime reduce about 12 kgs, and I am super happy. I am super amazed. I want to have a very small body and I am getting there, and I want to be thick in all the right places. But sasa mentally, whenever I am angry, whenever I am stressed, whenever I feel like I'm anxious, or whenever I feel like I am depressed, the gym becomes a stepping stone for me. I will go there very angry at someone, and I will get out of that place very fresh and very focused, and it has helped me see life in a whole new way. So this is me advising you should hit the gym. If not the gym, we have YouTube, you have your phone, you're watching me with your phone obviously, or if you're watching me in a TV and you have internet in your house, or you have internet on your phone, just look for exercises that are flexible for you, and you will advance eventually. And yeah, get your body in the right place, get your mind in the right place, because I'm telling you, people go through so much in life, and the small things that you do for yourself will help you. And vile nimemaliza gym, I always take these snaps for the gram, for Instagram. And yeah, we're done with the gym, so let's go home. So guys, basically this is my everyday body wash routine. I wash my face with black soap. Inanisaidia kutoa all the dark spots, and then it leaves my face spotless and smooth. And then on my body, I go with Dove. Dove, it contains cucumber and green tea. It leaves your body very moisturized, and it is also nourishing. And then inacha mwili yako ikikuwa very smooth, by the way, at the end of the day. So me, I do wash my body twice. So the second soap I'm using is Imperial Leather Body Wash Active. Hii iko na mint ndani, so it leaves your body very fresh, very nice, with like a very nice very nice cool or something like that. So since, because I'm going to the gym, I have to wash myself thoroughly because of the sweat that I produce during workouts. And yeah, so let's go and put on something nice. Yeah, bye. guys, so basically that is my morning routine. Na kama imekubamba, please comment on the comment section below. Sijaonyesha get ready with me, but I want to show you my outfit of the day because I'm really getting late to where I am going and I don't take breakfast. So there's no need of me trying to pretend to you guys that I do take breakfast in the morning, because not really. I rarely take breakfast. So this is my outfit of the day. I went on with this sunglasses because sometimes the sun is sunning and you need to protect those eyes, you know. And then with this vest pull neck, which is black, of course, which is going very well with the skirt that I'm wearing. On that note, let me show you the skirt. So this is the skirt that I'm rocking today. I know, it's cute, it's giving, I know. The ass is starting to ass, you know, the tummy is starting to tumming, and then I'm going to rock these boots. Yeah, I'm going to rock with this two boots because the weather nowadays is unpredictable and I wouldn't want to go. Imagine going with sandals alafu mvua inyeshe, you know, disaster. So that is the outfit of the day. And if you like this kind of videos, please tell me in the comment section below because I'm kind of starting to enjoy this one. Anyway, please do subscribe. Come on, just subscribe. Road to 5k subscribers. And you guys, eat healthy, stay healthy, do exercises, even if it is at home 3 times a week, because you need your body, you need to be healthy, you need to be, you know, in your best body ever, you know, because me, the body that I want, once I reach there, it will be over for you guys. I'm telling you, it will be over for you guys. Anyway, remember to subscribe, like, comment, and to share.